Hello all, I welcome you to episode number 49 of Walk the Stock. We're just one short of half century. I'm Rupak, I represent iFinStrats. Now today Nifty has again made yet another all-time high, and the all-time high it has made is about 24,307.25, and from there it has retraced a bit, but again it has made a higher low as compared to the previous so many days. So Nifty is really on an up roll. But today one thing which I'm seeing is that Nifty is kind of finishing up with a dragonfly doji, which also means that it is just showcasing some kind of bullishness, but a doji is always kind of an indecision. So from here on we could see anything. Rather, I would say, I don't know whether the upside is limited now and we should be looking at some kind of a retracement or not. But having said that, Nifty is making some up rolls, like today 170 points and all. Now, as I'm talking to you, the market is just about closing in about 15 minutes. So I thought that I'll just make the video a little towards the market end, before the market ends. So Nifty is definitely on a dragonfly doji today, but there is some bit of selling pressure which I can sense which could come in the next few days or so. However, we have to also remember that 23rd or 24th, one of the days will be the budget day, and that there could be good amount of rally we should be expecting for in and around budget. So it's a very mixed feeling whether Nifty is going to go really up from here more, or is it going to take some rest here. But all said and done, whatever is the reality is, Nifty is really making some good upper moves, and it is showing some bullish momentum. Today I have come up with another stock for us to analyze, and this stock is none other than Atul Auto Ltd. Now, Atul Auto Ltd is from automobile, two and three wheelers sector. The stock has retraced a bit as of today. The stock is about closing at about 774.25, which is about 3% down from yesterday. However, the stock is very, very bullish, and also the stock has shown some kind of momentum in the past month or so. So I thought, let's pick up Atul Auto and see the analysis of Atul Auto so that we can figure out whether we can make any kind of position on some bit of retracement from for Atul Auto from here. It has already made an all-time high of 818.4, and the beta is sitting at about 1.07 with a market capitalization of 2,100 crores. So a good bullish stock, no real weakness seen on this stock at this point of time, a stock from auto. So let's see how do we analyze this stock and see that if we can make some position on its retracement. So see on the charts of Atul Auto. So guys, we are on the monthly chart of Atul Auto, and let me show you that back in 2015, January of 2015, it had made a last all-time high of 721. Of course, it has broken the high by making a high of 818.4 in this month of July. But remember that the all-time high zone, which I have drawn out here, has been broken this month right by making 818 and it took 9 years for Atul Auto to break the high of 2015. So remember, always if the resistance zone, or rather the previous all-time high, which is getting broken out today, the higher the duration, the better or the bigger could be the potential breakout. Okay. Now the other thing what you can see here is, let me draw that for us. if you see, Atul Auto has made a cup pattern. I'll just open it for you here. It's a cup pattern it has made, and it has given a breakout out of the cup pattern. Now, with 9-year-old breakout on a cup pattern, when a stock breaks out like this, and that's what I'm trying to say, that with a little bit of price action, the stock could really go upstream at a very high pace and could give us a very good up momentum. So we should keep this stock in our radar, and with a little bit of price action, we should be looking at picking up this stock. Also, if you see here, the volumes have been pretty decent, which means that the stock is, people are getting interested in the stock, and a lot of buying is happening in the stock. Right now, let's break it down to the daily chart, and let's see on daily basis where are we with respect to Atul Auto. So let me just kind of open this for us here. Okay. So this is where we stand today. If you see that the volumes have really grown in the last few days, and the stock is just about making a good breakout. Now today it has given a little bit of retracement, and this is exactly what I say, and this is very interesting now. The retracement, what we see, if it comes down, takes rest on this, and again starts its up move, this state would be a very good state for us to really pick the stock on an up roll for the breakout of the cup pattern, and that is where we would also call that as the change in polarity. So overall, the stock is really on a good upstream with bit of a price action, which it has started now today. I think the stock could give us a really good upside in the days and weeks to come. Let's look at some of the other data here. So let's look at on daily basis. The stock's RSI is right above 60. On balance volume is growing, so there's a good buying pressure with the prices going up. You see buying pressure, you see the momentum, you see that the relative strength is way above Nifty, which is good news. The stock is performing better than the Nifty, and also ADX is showing some good bullish trend with its blue line going above 20, and the directional index, directional movement, that is the green line, is already much above 20. So overall the stock is showcasing good amount of trend, momentum and bullishness. So that's where I again repeat that if this stock makes a little bit of price action like the one I'm showing here, I think we should go ahead and pick the stock on a confirmed change of polarity with volumes really running good. So that's all I wanted to showcase to you today in terms of Atul Auto Ltd, and I hope that you liked my analysis. If you did like my analysis, please like, share and subscribe our channel. I'm not SEBI registered, so please do your own homework, please do your own analysis, and talk to your financial advisor before taking any kind of position in Atul Auto or any of the previous stocks which we've been analyzing every day. With this, I take your leave today, and I'm sure that you would have liked my analysis, and we'll catch up again tomorrow with yet another stock and something new. See you, bye bye. You have a very nice day.